Hi, this is Ken Lau. This is a daily inspiration. You call it weekly inspiration, right? I just want to inspire you standing on the shoulder of a giant called Arun Anthony, right? So he shared about the daily inspirations on daily basis, right? So today I'm very excited to look at his uh, post because every single day, without fail, he will share a daily inspiration. Today is push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Yeah. Um, uh, yes, I will agree that push yourself, right? And because no one else is going to do for you. I came to a point that just a few months ago, right, pushing myself is not really possible, and uh, I mean that I need that power from above, from God, to pull me up. Okay, I need to tell you that God pulled me up, and today you see I can push myself. I can write 1% improvement every single day, but that's not always the case. Yeah, if you can push yourself, push yourself. If you can't, especially in this pandemic area, right? So do raise your white flag. Uh, if you can't, right? Because the lockdown has caused many able person become disabled, okay, financially and mentally. So really have to raise my flag. I raised my white flag many months ago, and some people will care, some people won't, and I do get help from these people, and I pray to God, and God opened the door, show me the way. I see it, right? People who know me will know that uh, I am miracle. Yeah, that's the one. So let's just one more. Yesterday, what is he shared? Right, I say uh, Arun share about that change your thinking and change your result. Change your thinking and change your result. Yes, I truly agree on this, right? And I learned from another motivation speaker, and I also raised my white flag, and then he told me that watch my video, and then change your thinking. Watch my video more again daily. So change your thinking it takes a while, right? It took me a few weeks, and every single morning I'll just wake up and then just listen to that video, stay relevant, stay resilient. Yeah, and that is how I able, by God's grace able to change my thinking, and by changing my thinking, I am able to do something different. So one of them is 1% improvement. I do not I always fear about learning the new technology in the Microsoft. It's called Power BI. Um, but the thing is that it's because it's unknown. It's so difficult. Seems so difficult, and it's unknown. So I just said no. I just want to stay with the Microsoft Excel VBA. Those that are comfortable, right? But the world is changing, right? The demand is not may not be soon, but there's strong. And on the other hand, there's a strong demand for uh, this Microsoft Power BI is so strong, right? In the next year, we will see more of this. Uh, I don't know why, but the industry required Power BI so much. So uh, on the other hand, is that it's so difficult. It seems so difficult. It's so But out of the thinking of stay resilience that is shared by Jackson, uh, I start a 1% improvement. I only watch one video or two, and then create a video, and then by there I start slowly 1% change, 1% improvement, 1% improvement. So as I keep doing the same, and the momentum is keep moving, then it will grow, it will grow, it will grow into greater. It's just like a small seed. You can actually turn it into big tree by God grace, of course, right? You need to water it. You need to put fertilizers, right? You just talk to the plants, right? Okay, that's one more inspiration, right? All right, there's a 3C of life: choice, change, chance, and change. You must make the choice to take a chance. You must make the choice to make the chance. If you want anything in life to change, yeah, if you want to life to change, right, make a choice. If even that you are in a desperate moment, or even making raising a white flag does not mean you're weak, right? I was weak, very, very weak. I make a choice to raise white flag. At that time, there's no white flag. I just say, Jesus help me, Jesus help me, Jesus help me, and Jesus did help me, bringing friends. Up again, right? I'm really grateful for them. And yes, right, make a choice. Pray for people who are suffering. Yeah, and then take the chance. So there is we talk about demand in Power BI. That is the chance. Take the chance. There is a demand for that. Take the chance. And that's by God's grace. Life will change. My life will change. Love and sharing, by listening again and again, to improve and inspire you together with okay. So that's it. For some more, follow this. Arun these things daily inspirations. It takes a while to do, and in fact, in this area. Inspiring essential. Here's it.